Hey everyone, at the current time, AI coding models are becoming almost essential if you want to learn fast, build project or stay competitive. But there one big problem. Most of the best models are either paid or their API cost can be expensive. So I started looking for a better solution and I found a way to access some of the today's most powerful AI model completely free with generous amount of API token. In this video, I will show you how to get API key, GLM 5.2, MiniMax M3, Qwen 3.6 and DeepSeek V4 Flash, and at the same time I'll connect them to VS Code so you can start coding with them right away. So are you excited? Then let's get started. Select any browser that you are comfortable to use and search Morph LLM, which provide us this model for free. Then open this Morph LLM official website we are going to use through the API key. Then get API key. First it will ask to authenticate. Use any method among them. I'm going to continue with Google. If any authentication method didn't work, use another alternative method. Tap to continue here. Introducing our sub agent. Here you can see GLM 5.2, Qwen, DeepSeek are available. Again tap to continue. Are you part of the company? No, I'm individual. Where do you want to use Morph? I want to use it through the API. Welcome to the Morph. View plan. Choose your plan. But in this video we are going to use a free plan. That's why I am continue without a plan. This is the dashboard where it will create you the API key. If you want to create another API key, you can also create it. Your API key are highly sensitive and secure. Didn't share your API key with anyone. I'll delete my API key before video is publishing. In the open source model section of the dashboard, it will provide us the way that we can use it, and this is the model that will be provided by Morph. GLM 5.2, 744 billion, MiniMax M3, MiniMax M2.7, DeepSeek V4 Flash and Qwen 3.6. All of them are Chinese and open source model. If you want to try it here, you can also try. But in this today's video, we are mainly focusing it through the API key and use it inside our Visual Studio Code, which means it is perfectly working. After you have already created the account and get your API key, next go to the Visual Studio Code or Anti-Gravity, which editor that you are currently using. If you didn't have Visual Studio Code, then download and install the Visual Studio Code. It is very easy to download and install. You didn't need any configuration to install Visual Studio Code. After that, go to the extension section and search for client. Using this extension, we are going to use, or you can use it through the kilo code, or you can use it in open code as well. But in today's video, I am going to use through this client or C-line, whatever you have said that. Install it. After you have installed, it will reflected at the left menu. Open it and go to this account section here, and this is my current balance. It is provided by default. I don't have any payment history here. This is the default balance. Done. And in the gears icon, click it here. From here we are going to use it. API provider, select the OpenAI compatible. Here it will provide base URL. Copy until v1 and paste it here in base URL section. Okay, until v1. For the model ID, you can choose any model that you want. Okay, select any model and model name will be reflected here. First, I will show you how you can use GLM 5.2, which performance is best among this all model. In model section, provide this name. Last, we have required the OpenAI compatible API key. Copy your API key here and paste it in API key section, and done. Now it will be reflected here. If you are using client for the first time, plan and act mode. Plan means you make plan before building anything, or act directly building. Here you can set permission. Every time it will ask permission before reading, editing file. Currently, I'll give all of the permission where it will directly use the browser, edit file, read file and customize it. After that, you can see Morph GLM 5.2 is reflected here. I'll try it. Does it work in Visual Studio Code or not? Okay, it will perfectly working. Some of you may have confused that this is the token. Don't worry, this is not the token. I will show you how much request that we have done and how much token it will take at the end of this today's video. Now it will work, it will respond for hi. Now I will show you by building one real project. Here I have given one simple prompt, build one fully functional Flappy Bird game. Let's see, does it build this game or not? We are going to wait until it will complete, where first it will think, it will plan, then it will start to work. Currently it will reading my index.html file. If you didn't have any file, then it will directly create. My index.html is currently empty, but it will read it. It will confirm, it will empty. That's why it will start to work on it. It is fast as well. Here you can see my current balance is 0. This is not a token. This is the context windows, and this token will be reset in every response. Okay, I think it will be completed. It will automatically open our game. Start. Now you can see all tasks will be completed. When it will completed and I will try to run it, start button is not work, then I will again give instruction. When I click on start button, it will not start the game, then it will analyze bug and find it. Now let's see, does it work or not? Okay, go live. Can see, I think it will work. Everywhere the pipes don't hit the ground, click tab or press space to flap. Okay, let's start game. Okay, it will working. Hit the pipe, game over. Okay, again hit the pipe, game over. Okay, again hit the pipe. Okay, best score 2. Oh, you can see 5 is my best score. By this way, you can play this game. I have never played this game. That's why I feel this game is hard, but you can easily try it. You can see now I am playing 7. I got the 7. This is my best score. By this way, you can use this model. If you want to use some other model, then you can also achieve it. Just go to the open source model section, and from here change the name whatever you want to change. I have select the MiniMax and go to here, and remaining all are same. Just change the model ID, paste it here, done. Now MiniMax is available here. Hi. Okay, hi there means this model is also working. Explore some other model as well and use. If you hit the limit, then create another account and just replace your API key. Then you can use it in decent amount. You can create as much account as you can. Switch between the account and another part. If you want to add your billing account, then you can get the $10 to use. After adding your billing account, you can get this $10 from this balance. You can also use it. Okay. That's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. Happy coding. Okay, bye bye.